How to check Instagram notes history. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to check Instagram notes history. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once inside here, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. So just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you click on that, you can just scroll down and click on this option called your activity. So just tap on this, and once you tap on this, you can just see the option that is notes. So since we want the notes, just tap on this, and here you can see all of your notes history on your Instagram which you have posted. So as you can see, I have created different level of notes based on the post. So you can also check it out from oldest to newest or newest to oldest, from all dates, and you can select it. And if you want more than that, then you can always come over here and click on this download your information option over here, and just click on your profile icon and just download all of your information from the beginning onto your provided Gmail or email address, just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.